Hello again, it's George at Suprema. Today I'm going to be going through the Airfob Patch, which is our smallest device but can be used on a lot of existing access control systems that you want to add mobile access onto. So inside the box, again, it is our smallest reader. It is literally just the singular Airfob patch and a very small instruction detail just on how to actually place it on the device. The Airfob patch itself is just a self-contained unit. It is IP rated, so you can use it with existing IP rated devices. You would just peel off the sticky on the back. I won't on this one just so it isn't installed. So with the Airfob patch, it can be used with any existing high frequency reader from another system. Here we have the reader. You would just place it on top and then that would be installed. One note is it does need to be high frequency just because of the power draw. If you're using one of our existing readers that doesn't have Bluetooth, you would just be able to place it on any of the cards at the top and then that is installed. One note is that it doesn't actually need any power from the device itself. It will harvest it over the RF field, so you don't need to plug it in. You literally just need to place it on the device. That was unboxing the Airfob patch. As you can see, smallest device and can work with a lot of existing systems. Bye today.